Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change bullet point size in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and press your mouse cursor where you want to put bullet point, and here I will put this circle bullet point and say this. Now change this bullet point size and click on this bullet point and select. Now press plus icon for increasing bullet point size and see this. Also you can change bullet point color. Yeah, in this way you can change all of these bullet point size, increase or decrease. Also you can add new bullet point. Yeah, and change size. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.